I just got my veneers a couple of days ago, and I am super excited. As you can see, I have some missing teeth. I don't have the smile that I wanted. I was self-conscious. Pop them in. Oh, wow. I absolutely love my smile. Thank you, Pop On Veneers, for giving me my smile back. I feel confident, and they're affordable. They have different payment options. This is a great investment. Every dime was worth it. A few years ago, I had some partials, but they were really uncomfortable and painful. I didn't want no partials anymore. Implants was kind of expensive, and I found the Pop On Veneers. Oh, wow. I absolutely love my smile.